Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Krishna's Karai. Today my new recipe is Kokam Sambar. In a bowl add 2 dry red chillies, half teaspoon mustard seeds and few curry leaves. Then add chopped beans and chopped pumpkin. Now add half teaspoon haldi powder, 1 tablespoon sambar powder, water as needed. Now microwave for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take out the bowl from microwave. Then add boiled tur dal. Add salt as needed, a pinch of hing. Then add kokum water. Add boiled drumstick. Mix it properly. Again microwave for 15 minutes. When it is done, take it from the oven. Now ready to serve Kokam Sambar with hot idli.